Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play a C major arpeggio. That's right, I'm going to take you through the fingering and notes for both left and right hand, separately and together, 1 and 2 octaves. But before we get started with that, I'd just like to ask you, if you find this video at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and families. Let's take a look at the right hand first. So, first thing we need to know about the C arpeggio is that it's going to be made up of the notes that are in the C major chord, which are C, E, and G. Okay? So in the right hand, for 1 octave, it's going to look like this. C, E, G, C, G, E, C. The fingers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. Now, if we want to make that 2 octaves, all we're going to do is we're going to play 1, 2, 3. And when we get to the C, instead of using our pinky, we're going to tuck our thumb under to C. Now, when you do that, you want to make sure that it happens all with your hands and your fingers and that your elbow doesn't pop out. Okay, so let's look at that again. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, tuck your thumb, 2, 3, 5. You're going to come back down. 5, 3, 2, 1. Right here again, you're going to swing your third finger over your thumb, but we're not going to let our thumb pop out. 1, swing that 3, 2, 1. Do it a little smoother for you. 1, 2, 3, tuck your thumb. 2, 3, 5. Come back down. 3, 2, 1. Swing your third finger over your thumb. 3, 2, 1. So that's 2 octaves with the right hand. Let's take a look at the left hand. We'll do 1 octave first. So we're going to play the same notes. We're just going to use a little different fingering. The left hand is going to use the 4th finger instead of the 3rd finger. It's going to look like this. 5, 4, 2, 1. Back down. 1, 2, 4, 5. To make it 2 octaves, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to, when we get to this top C, we're going to swing our 4th finger over our thumb, making sure we don't pop out our elbow. 4, 2, 1. Back down the same way. 1, 2, 4. Tuck your thumb, but don't move your elbow. 1, 2, 4, 5. I'll do a little smoother for you. 5, 4, 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, let's take a look at putting hands together for 1 octave. Now, the trickiest part about this is going to be making sure that your right hand is using 3 and not 4. And your left hand is using 4 and not 3. It's easy to get those mixed up. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then after I show you how to put it together, I'm going to give you a really cool practice tip that'll help make this easy. Okay, so when we put it together, it's going to go like this. C, E, G, C, G, E, C. Now when we do it 2 octaves, both of our thumbs are going to land on the C in the middle. This is what it looks like. C, E, G. Tuck both your thumbs on C. Cross over, E, G, C, back down the same way you came up, C, G, E, C, G, E, C. Now once you try that, like I mentioned, you might find it's kind of tricky that one of your hands is trying to play the wrong finger, but here's the cool trick that'll really help with this. What you're going to do is get yourself some stickers. Any kind of little stickers about this size will do. And what you're going to do is you're going to take them and you're going to place the sticker on the finger you're not going to use in that hand. So in my left hand, I want to remember not to use my 3rd finger. So I'm going to take the sticker and put it on that finger now. For my right hand, I want to remember not to use my 4th finger. So I'm going to put a sticker on that finger now. Okay. Once I've got that in place, you can see it really highlights and helps you point out the finger that you're not supposed to use. So I would use this when you're first learning to play it. And then after you do this for maybe a couple days, you're going to find that your finger starts to get the feel for it, and then you won't need the stickers anymore. So this is what it looks like with the stickers. I'll do 1 octave and then right into 2 octaves like this. C, E, G, C, G, E, C, E, G, C, E, G, C, G, E, C, G, E, C. So there you go. That's how you can play and master with the use of stickers the C major arpeggio. Now, if you want to play it more than 2 octaves, you simply would just repeat the motion that you did for 2 octaves up to 3 or 4 octaves. It's the same. Nothing changes when you add a 3rd or 4th octave. So thanks again, once again, for watching the video. And again, if you found it at all helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel, and share it out with your friends and family wherever it's possible. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Bye-bye.